Our presentation today is how we can use Aeries, our student information system, to create, in part, an engagement record for our students. Our learning intentions are to understand the components of Senate Bill 98, better known as SB 98, that outlines the requirements of a student engagement record. Also, to understand how the features in Aeries can be used to create a student engagement record. And finally, our success criteria: be able to use enhanced features on Aeries to create, in part, a student engagement record beginning Monday, September 28th, 2020. With the information from this presentation, you will be able to navigate and use the features in Aeries, in part, to create a student engagement record that is compliant with SB 98. Outlined in SB 98 is the requirement for each teacher to ensure that a weekly engagement record is completed for every student. The components of the engagement record need to include the following: if the students are participating in synchronous or asynchronous instruction for each whole or partial day of distance learning, how will the students be given the opportunity to participate? Will the students be given the opportunity to participate through online activities during live instruction, the completion of student work, assessments, or contacts made between employees, attendance clerks, and the students, parents, and/or guardians? Attendance, which includes the type of participation and participation modality, can be recorded in Aeries and will be demonstrated later during this presentation. Another component of the engagement record includes the documentation of daily assignments. The state uses the term assignment very broadly to refer to work, activity, and/or assessments that are being conducted each day. The requirement is for you to document and store a summary of the daily assignment, which again refers to the student work, activity, or assessment that is being done in every class day. You can maintain this summary through Aeries Gradebook, Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, lesson plans, or keep a separate record of these assignments. I want to emphasize that this is a quick summary of what you have planned for your students and not another set of lesson plans for your lesson plans. The important part is that the records will need to be easily retrievable if and when the district is audited. Remember, attendance rules will slightly vary for our alternative programs. In our demonstration today, we will also show you a feature in Aeries to mass add quick notes to document participation. This can also be used for assignment tracking by adding a summary of daily assignments in the quick notes. Here's a screenshot of the attendance participation tracking procedures that outline the key components in creating the student engagement record in Aeries. This document has been provided to your administrator, which you should or will receive soon. Walk with me to review how we will use the features in Aeries to create a student engagement record. If the student is present, no mark is necessary for attendance. The L will be marked if a student is late less than 30 minutes. You will also be able to mark the M field if you notice that a student is absent more than 30 minutes at any time during instruction. The expectation is not for you to have a stopwatch to see who arrives or leaves during instruction. However, if you notice trends of students who may be leaving without notice during instruction, the M mark allows you to document this. In order to get attendance credit, one of four fields must be marked. 1. Parent, guardian, student contact. 2. Synchronous instruction and student work. 3. Synchronous instruction, assessment, student work. Or 4. Lastly, asynchronous. Your choice for the selection of one of these four fields is based on how you will offer student participation in your class that day or during your class period. Generally, you will choose at least one of these four fields each day. If a parent, student, guardian makes contact with you regarding a student's device or connectivity issues for attendance credit, they can be referred to the attendance clerk. Let me show you an updated and enhanced feature for mass entry. For participation, if you would like to use the Mass Apply feature, click on the Mass Apply Quick Notes button. Let's select the Synchronous, Instruction, Assessment, and Student Work option and see how the Mass Apply feature can be used. Aries also has a feature that can be used for assignment tracking through Mass Applied Quick Notes. Remember, the use of assignment tracking through Aries is optional. Teachers can continue to use their normal method for assignment tracking by using Aries Gradebook, Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, or lesson plans. If you would like to use this optional feature for assignment tracking, enter your notes after you have selected one of the appropriate participation codes. Let's select Synchronous Instruction and Student Work in this box. If we were working on Chapter 8, The Enlightenment, and you provided a short quiz, you could enter here, Chapter 8, Enlightenment, and Short Quiz. You can now click Apply, and this summary will be mass applied to all students' records. For students who are absent, student participation should not be marked. Since a mass apply has been added to all students, for the student who was absent, you would record the absence and uncheck the participation box. On minimum days, early out at junior high schools and late start at high schools, two fields will need to be marked. At least one of the two synchronous will need to be marked, and the asynchronous field must be marked in order to meet the minimum instructional minutes established by the California Department of Education. For example, junior high school early out, there will be two synchronous fields. You will need to mark one of the synchronous fields as well as the asynchronous field. For high school late start, there will be two synchronous fields. You will need to mark one of the two synchronous fields as well as an asynchronous field. Similarly, minimum days at all schools, remember that you will need to mark one of the two synchronous fields along with the asynchronous field. Finally, here are some reminders. Attendance is taken daily. You have up to 48 hours to make corrections. Participation should be taken daily, and you have until the end of the week to complete. By completing attendance and participation, you are satisfying the weekly engagement log that needs to be submitted per SB 98. Thanks for your participation in this presentation Remember, you can review additional slides in this presentation. And once again, thank you.